Super view and breakfast was awesome. Real value for money. We stayed on New Year night. We can see firecrackers on the island from the beach. Breakfast was simply awesome and staff were too gentle and kind. Good perfect location. Exceptional best place to stay. Good value for Ko Phi Phi. The rooms are clean and smell good. Good view over the sea. The hill right before the hotel is steep, but not very difficult. If you have suitcases there's no need to worry, too. Hotel staff contacted me before arrival and there was a person waiting for us at the pier, who helped us to carry all our luggage with his cart. Rooms are cleaned upon request. Overall, comparing to other available variant at the moment of booking, this one was the best choice. Lovely stay, highly recommended. Red heart emoji. Lovely stay, highly recommended, thank you. Exceptional. Staff were great. I was 2 hours early and they still let me check in. Every day they asked if I wanted the bungalow cleaned. If you're just looking for a place to put your head down at the end of a day of tours or laying on beach, this is it. Exceptional. They picked us up from the ferry to help with our bags since the bungalows are pretty far and on top of a hill. The room was clean but a bit old. The location is nice but it is noisy at night from the clubs. We had to use earplugs some nights to sleep okay. Good value for the price overall. Wonderful cozy place to stay and enjoy Ko Phi Phi. There are no word of gratitude that can express our feelings about this place. The bungalows are great, clean, spacious, has balcony with views and is very well maintained. And because it is a little bit outside of the main streets, you can rest there better than in the center. What creates the best atmosphere in this place are the people who works there. We were welcomed by family that took so good care of us. Always attentive, wanting to help and make our stay as comfortable as possible. No problem if we wanted our room cleaned or new towels or whatever we needed. They have laundry service, so no need to go far away. During the breakfast the owner always offered us some of the local treats, like rice with palm sugar or snail's smile. They told us story about how it was in Ko Phi Phi before and after the tsunami. So to sum up, we are more than happy that we could stay in the Sea View Bungalow. And we will do it again next time, smile. Just to inform future guest. The place is on a small hill. But it is only the last 100 meters that you have to go up, smile, but on your arrival they will pick up you and your luggage from the pier and will carry your staff up the hill. Amazing. When you look in the map it seemed far but is close. 5 minutes walking you can be in the beach party and all restaurants. It's safe to walking in the night and the people who work is very kind and help us and you can pay a good price for washing clothes. Good place with all the basic amenities. Located up on a hill so make sure it's okay for you to go up on a steep path. Breakfast cooked to order, okay, clean and with all basic amenities, complimentary bottled drinking water daily, running hot water, no daily housekeeping. Also monkeys around and shortcut path to viewpoints starts there. Loved it. The view from the first 2 bungalow is stunning. I love that it was away from the crowds and there are a few bars on the way down for some chilled drinks by the sea in the afternoon. It's family run business and it's pretty cute. Best place to stay. Wonderful place to stay in Phi Phi, one of the best in hood in my life. Awesome staffs and very clean and nice bungalow. The property situated near the Phi Phi viewpoint. The place is very calm and well maintained. You will get the good view of entire island since the place is located at the hill station. Only thing is you have to walk hill to reach this place. You will feel teared first time when you come to this place but after coming here the story is different. You will feel wonderful feeling. What an amazing place. Coming to the staff they are very honest and kind. Well recommended place to stay in Phi Phi. Really lovely room, nice and clean with a bathroom and big bed. Really nice view as well. Staff really lovely, always saying hello. It is up a hill but if you enjoy a little walk it's no problem. Easy and short walk to and from the main part of the island. Amazing view, nice and clean bungalows, with amazing view. Just on really big hill, but nothing when you have so nice view to main beach and mountains.